Well, it is daylight savings now, and I need to go adjust the clock on my duck and chicken's automatic door. See if these guys go back inside. Appreciate it. All right, so we're gonna come over here to the door. Let's see, I just push any button to get this thing going. Man, it's really dirty. Ducks are the dirtiest creatures, in case you didn't know that. So, it says right there, resetting timer or light. You just push the settings, then you go up or down. So settings, you see right there, it says 8 o'clock. That is way too late now. We're gonna open it up at 7 o'clock for them. Then we're gonna do the close. Right now it's at 7:30. It's getting dark at like 5:30. So I'm actually just gonna, oops, I hit the wrong button. Go back up. So sorry. Hit the setting button again. It's gonna go through here. Just keep pushing it till you get to your time. There we go, 7:30. And I'm gonna do this at 5:30. In fact, I might just do it at, yeah. Let's go down to 5 o'clock. Well, no, that's too early right now. All right, so I've got it opening at 7, closing at 5:30. Just push that. Current time is 9:36, or actually that is not accurate anymore. It is 8:36. So there we go, that is set. Just keep pushing the setting button through the minutes and we are good to go. So yeah, open it at 7 o'clock. I don't want it to open any earlier because even though it's gonna be bright, the ducks are loud and so are the chickens and the roosters. So I'm just going to leave it at 7 and 5:30. And this is for the ducks. I'm gonna go do the same for the chickens. Let me in. Move this stuff out of the way so I can come into their coop area. You see the ducks have gone back out. Okay, so let's do the chicken. Look how much cleaner this is because chickens aren't as gross as ducks. Alright, setting button. We push that again. There it is flashing. We're gonna go to 7 o'clock. The minutes are staying the same. There we go. This one's set for 7:15. Wait, so let's go to 5:30. There we go. Push the setting button again. It's going up here to the clock. Time has changed. It is 8:38. Push that twice and we are good to go. So now it's set for 7 a.m. to open and 5:30 at night to close. So pretty simple to do, but you want to make sure you do it at the right times. Otherwise, if the birds are out too long, some of the predators may come in there and get them before you're out here to close it. So anyway, you guys take it easy.